Alright, here we got a 13 shank. It's a 21 foot. I believe 0405. It says on this, I think that's maybe the year's made. It's got 21-inch front blades. Cushion gang in the front. It is, you can hydraulically change these front blades. This is in its work clothes. We haven't done anything to it. It's just the way it come in. Some of these blades up 22 inches, 21 to 22 across the front. Everything seems to be turning all right. Shank wise, like I say, she's a 13 shank. She's got 4 on each wing. They're not bad, all spring loaded. Good framing. Cover blades in the back. They're about 22 3/4. I'm just measuring the outsides. They might vary a half an inch. You know how that goes if you got dirt hitting. 23 inches on the back concaves. And then you got the back baskets. And all that'll hydraulic up out of the way. Framing's good on this. As far as I know, it's a really good tool. These are setting to come in. I'm going to have to put a little bit of air in the tire, but I see a little tire a little bit low, but these are probably tubeless. We've had some really cold weather, so that's why we haven't had a chance to even clean it up. But you're seeing it in its entirety. A little bit of dirt on it where it come out of the barn, and don't sell on our annual auction.